Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. We're at CVS. You see that? Pharmacy's still closed, so the goal is to get out of here as soon as we can. I only have a few deals to share with you guys today. I'm probably gonna come back for a part 2 because these are deals that I really want to grab before they're out of stock. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure that you smash the like button, support your girl, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on a video. So without further ado, I have 4 deals you don't want to miss this week, so keep on watching. All right, so the first deal we're gonna go over is the Coke. I feel like, don't we get toothpaste I think the only week I didn't get toothpaste this month was the first week because all I did was Scott's. But we're gonna do Colgate. All right, it's 2 for $7.98, and it's also buy 2 get back 6 with a limit of 2. The total is gonna come to $15.96, and then we have a 2 off of 1 digital. I'm also gonna stack it with the 2 off of 2 coupon from our inserts. It expires on the 28th. Which will then bring the total down to paying $11.96 out of pocket and getting back 12, making it a 4-cent moneymaker on this. So the next thing I'm gonna grab is gonna be the toothbrushes. Now I really wanted to get mouthwash because your girl don't have no mouthwash at home, but the digitals, there's 2 of them and only 1 is attaching. No matter which mouthwash that I scan, whether it be the optic white one, the green one, or the blue one, it's still only attaching 1. So I'm not gonna do that deal. However, I'm gonna go ahead and get the toothbrushes. All right, these are priced at $4.49, and we're gonna grab 2 of them. And so we're gonna end up paying $8.98, right? And then we're gonna use 2 of the digitals that are applying. That's gonna bring my total down to paying $4.98 out of pocket, and then getting back the 5. Okay, so it's gonna make that a 2-cent moneymaker. Now I do have a 5 off 25 CRT, which is right there. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab 4 of the toothpaste, 2 of the toothbrushes on 1 transaction. All right, that total is gonna come to $24.94. I'm gonna use it 5 off 25 CRT right there. Plus I'll be using 2 for $6 in digitals, and then I'm also going to stack on this 2 off of 2, which is going to apply to 2 of these. This should bring the total down to $11.94 out of pocket, but then we're going to get back 12 for the toothpaste and 5 for the toothbrushes, which is $17, making this a $5.06 moneymaker. All right, the next deal that we're grabbing is going to be on the whole blends, which are 2 for $8. And then they're also buy 2 get back 3. Gonna be using this $3 off of 2 printable from coupons.com. There's also a 3 off of 2 digital as well that is applying. You'll end up paying 2 and getting back 3, making this a $1 moneymaker. This next thing we're gonna be grabbing is on the fruities. This is also 2 for $8, buy 2 get back 3, and this is a different promotion than the whole blends. For this we're gonna be using the 3 off of 2 printable right here from coupons.com, and it's also gonna attach with the digital as well. That's also 3 off of 2. So we'll end up paying 2, getting back 3, making this a $1 moneymaker. And of course, if you have any hair care CRTs that you can stack with this, it'll make it a better deal for you. So here is what our transaction looks like. There goes the fruities at the very top, followed by the whole blends, the Colgate, and then the toothbrushes at the bottom. So the 2 $3 paper coupons off the whole blends and the fruities. There goes our $2 coupon off of the Colgate. And then as far as all of our digitals, we had a total of 3 Colgate digitals come off, 1 fruities, 1 whole blends. There's a 5 off 25 CRT. I wrote $14 in extra care bucks, paid $193 subtotal. And then we got back 12 for the toothpaste. We got back 3 for the whole blends, 3 for the Garnier, and 5 for the toothbrushes. So we got back a total of $23, making everything you see here free plus a $7.07 moneymaker. Still that I did was on the Hallmark cards, our Hallmark items. It's buy 4, get back 3 with a limit of 1. So my store doesn't have the 99-cent cards, but I wanted to try it on these bags, which in the past has always worked. They're 49 cents, so I grabbed 4 of them. You'll pay $196, but then you're gonna get back the 3. Now I wanted to try this deal first to see if it would work. To see if it would work, and it actually did. So let me show you. This is the one for the Hallmark one right here. All right, right, so pay $196, get back 3, makes it $1.04 moneymaker. All right, so with this transaction though, what I did is I did the same deals again. I just added those Hallmark bags, which are at the very bottom. So for this one, this is what all my coupons look like. I use exact same coupons, all of the digitals applied. So for this transaction, we paid $17.90 and we got back $26 in extra care bucks, which is everything that we were supposed to get back. So it made this one right here an $8.10 moneymaker. So what is that minus? So it made this like a $15 moneymaker combined, which is awesome. Last deal that I'm gonna go over, I'm not gonna actually do today, or at least not right now. I'm gonna see if I can find a cheaper CoverGirl product, but these are buy 2 get back 6 with a limit of 1. So if you grab 2 of these here at $5.79, your total is gonna come to $11.58. Now, if your store takes expired coupons, you want to use 2 of these right here. That's going to bring your total down to paying $5.58 out of pocket, but you're going to get back the $6 here, which will make it a 42-cent moneymaker on that one. Now, if you can find the ones priced at $4.99, you're going to grab 2 of those. That total is going to come to $9.98. Again, using 2 of these 3 off of 1 coupons will bring your total down to you paying $3.98 out of pocket, but you're going to get back $6 in extra care bucks, making it a $2.02 moneymaker. So I'm going to hold off on this deal and see if I can find a store that has them in stock. All right, so really quick, I had to get Sudafed for my little one. So I grabbed that on this transaction too, because I had a 40% off and a 30% off. So the 40% off came off of the Sudafed. We're not counting that because I needed that. And so and it was cheaper to come here with a percent off than going to Walmart, and I did not want to go to Walmart today. And so there goes the 2 CoverGirl. They're priced at $4.99, so there they go at the very top of the receipt. And then again, I had $3 coupons, which again expired on the 21st, which was yesterday. The 30% off came off of the CoverGirl, which took off $198. All right, I paid that out of pocket, so we'll say $198 out of pocket for CoverGirl, and then we got back the 6. So it ended up making that a $4 moneymaker because you paid basically 2 and you got back the 6. So it made that a $4 moneymaker. So I'm gonna head home and give you guys the full. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for you guys for today. Everything was amazing, amazing. All right, I went to 4 different stores, and lots of transactions later. Well, I try to do as many deals on one transaction as I could. So only one situation I had only like $10 in extra care bucks on that one, and so I had to break it up and do like the 2. I did the Colgate first, and then I rolled that into the other deals. And so, but for today, we did whole blends, fruit teas, Colgate, and Hallmark across the board. I'm hoping to get more of the CoverGirl once my store restocks. And I didn't even find that deal until I was at like the 3rd store. So I was just like, I wasn't trying to backtrack. And so I just got what I could find. Hopefully they restock and I'll be able to do that deal. I missed the Colgate deal on one card because that store didn't have any Colgate whatsoever. But really quick, one of you guys asked me, how do I keep things like organized? Because I have so many different situations going on here, you know. I have a Google Doc. All right, I keep track through a Google Doc. It's in my phone, and I keep track of what I've done and what I need to do. All right, and it makes it easy for me. I mean, I also keep my my receipts clipped as well to help keep track. And so, yeah, that's just a few things, a few tips or whatever for you if you have some situations, more than one situation. And so, but everything worked out pretty good today. So everything double attached across the board. Whole blends, fruit teas, Colgate, all double attached. I found the bags at all stores, so we went ahead and ran with that one. Everything you see here retails $199.54. Sales tax on this is $17.46. We had $117.98 in paper coupons, CRTs, digitals, percent offs, which brought the total down to $81.56. Okay, and then I walk away with $119 in extra care bucks, which brings this to all free plus a $37.44 moneymaker. And even after tax, we still made 20 bucks. So this was an awesome deal. Even if you don't have any threshold CRTs, like I had that 5 off of 25 Colgate on 3 of the 4, and the 4th one was like a 3 off of 18. So even if you don't have any of those, it still makes it free. A tiny moneymaker. So that's a deal that you definitely want to do. Fructis Whole Blends is a deal you definitely want to run with as well. It's an easy, newbie friendly. I think all these deals are easy, newbie friendly. Hallmark, of course, awesome. No coupons needed. Other than that, you guys, if you made it this far, I want to see some fire. I want to see, because we did some fire deals, you guys, and we made some money. All right. So I want to see fire emojis in the comments if you got this far. Other than that, I will leave it there. You guys have the most amazing dinner whenever watching and wherever you're watching from. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye. And of course, let's not forget the giveaway. So Robin, you are the winner of a $25 e-card, our Cash App. I decided to pick 2 winners because there were so many of you guys. And so the second one is going to get a $10 e-card, our Cash App. And that winner is, the winner is Holly. So Robin and Holly, hit me up and I will get that to you guys.